Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the problem where the Settings app is not opening in Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. If you click on Settings and nothing happens, or it crashes instantly, then don't worry, this video will help you fix it step by step. This issue usually happens due to system restrictions or incorrect policy settings applied in your system. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Run, and then click on it. We are opening the Run dialog because it allows us to quickly access advanced system tools. After that, in this, type pedit.msc and click on OK. This command opens the Group Policy Editor, which is used to control system settings and restrictions. After that, a new window will open. This window contains many system-level configurations that can enable or disable certain features in Windows. Then click on User Configuration. This section controls settings that apply to your user account. After that, click on Administrative Templates. This folder contains various policy settings related to system behavior and features. After that, click on Control Panel. This is where we can manage restrictions related to settings and Control Panel access. Now on the right side, click on Prohibit Access to Control Panel and PC Settings. This is the main setting that can block access to the Settings app. Double-click on it. A new window will open where you can configure this policy. Now click on Disabled. If this option is enabled, it prevents users from opening Settings and Control Panel, which is why the problem occurs. By setting it to Disabled, we are allowing access again. After that, click on Apply and then click on OK. This will save the changes you just made. After this, close all the windows. Now click on the Windows icon, click on the Power option, and then click on Restart. Restarting your system is important because it applies all the policy changes and refreshes system settings. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.